Hey everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. This video will be a tutorial on the LiveGood affiliate program. I'm going to share everything you need to know in order to learn about an incredibly powerful affiliate opportunity while also improving people's health and well-being. And the great thing is that LiveGood also offers affiliates not for one but multiple separate ways to earn money promoting their platform. So without much further ado, let's get right into the video. So for those unfamiliar with LiveGood, it produces premium quality supplements and health products formulated from nature's purest ingredients. I can personally attest to the life-enhancing benefits of these products because I use them on the daily. And when you truly believe in what you're affiliated with, it shows and converts to sales. And by sincerely sharing products that you already know and trust, you can open the gates to actual wealth. And let's briefly cover how you can become part of this powerful opportunity. The first step is to visit livegood.com and then click the affiliate tile. After that, click on this button and complete the registration. You will be asked to make the $49.95 purchase to access your affiliate dashboard. And from there you can browse the wellness products that you will represent and share your special link and begin enrollment and pre-sales. And that takes us to the starting point for earnings, which is the fast start commissions. Now the payment that you will make is a one-time payment only, and then after that is all revenue. So at this point, you will be paid every time you sign up a new member at the basic $49.95 monthly rate. You will then instantly earn $25 per enrollment with no limit on your income potential here. And now the key is that you receive full pass-up commissions on the first 10 tiers of referrals underneath you. So everyone who joins from your unique affiliate link and everyone that they subsequently sign up, it continually triggers more fast start payouts into your wallet. And this sets the cash flowing instantly while constructing your selling organization. Even signing up a few people initially could snowball you into thousands down the road as each refers a few friends. And every addition passes $25 up to you, the initiator. So as you can see, the fast start commissions spark immediate returns. But where things get really lucrative is in this matrix right here. So this ingenious structure strategically channels your direct signups as well as their recruits into your own 2x15 earning grid. As your organization enlarges, newly enrolled members fill vacant slots sequentially underneath you. And that's why attracting early adopters is key. They will occupy the topmost positions for maximum productivity. And with that, you can earn 12 to 20% or higher on every $49.95 subscription generated inside your matrix based on your leadership rank. And this extends 15 levels down, compounding the commissions cascading up from all the sub-affiliates beneath you. And this advancing in rank allows you to leverage and benefit from the unified efforts of your entire organization, and their success directly elevates and multiplies your own success. And now for the third income stream that serves to dramatically amplify your commission potential even further, the matching bonuses. This one pays you an enormous 50% matching bonus on all matrix earnings generated by your personally referred and sponsored affiliates. And this pays you an enormous 50% matching bonus on all the matrix earnings generated by your personally referred and sponsored affiliates. You will be rewarded not just for your own sales, but directly benefit from supporting and developing your first tier team as well. And this cascades even deeper. You will match bonus payouts down multiple generations. So for example, if you refer Sally and then Sally enrolls John, who then recruits Grace, you will receive matching bonus percentages on Grace's matrix earnings as well. So this system organically motivates and incentivizes you to be vested in the growth and advancement of your entire unified team. Everyone is economically united. So instead of instigating competition, you're establishing cooperative channels, helping others win because their victories directly accelerate your own victories. And beyond building your enrollment organization, retail commissions offer reliable recurring income from directly converting product users and buyers. Each time a customer you've attracted purchases full-priced retail product instead of discounted member pricing, you pocket a straightforward 50% cut. And this means accumulating lifelong earnings from every converted user you convince to loyally buy monthly. This also works quarterly or even yearly. And this gradually builds and compounds into purchases that you earn 50% retail profit share builds lasting residual income. LiveGood also has incorporated lucrative influencer bonuses atop retail payouts. Basically, the more merchandise that you systematically sell at retail monthly, the higher your bonus tier and the bigger slice of profits you will secure. So as you can see, through the combination affiliate framework of fast start enrollments fueling perpetual matrix cycles, matched leadership bonuses, retail selling margins, and more, you're equipped to systematically build, grow, and scale world-class income. And this all happens with no artificial limits imposed. There is no need for get-rich-quick schemes or questionable tactics. Instead, follow passion-sharing premium supplements, cemented by an ethical win-win business model rewarding amazingly. Consistent daily progress compounds over months and years to dramatically grow your commissions. And once the matrix cycles, spend, and bonuses multiply, your efforts yield exponentially greater dividends. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know what you think of LiveGood in the comment section down below. And if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can create related to this one.